Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside sessions. So a Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Sessions is a web-based conferencing solution that redefines the quality of meetings. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a Webhook inside sessions and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for sessions as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be session created. So this trigger will start working whenever a new session will be created. So from this trigger window, you can select any trigger event of your choice as per your requirement. So I'm going to set up a webhook inside sessions for a session created. So whenever a new session will be created in my sessions account, then automatically the detail of that session will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So over here, as I did that, here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your sessions account with Pabbly Connect. So now in order to do a connection, I'm going to take you to my sessions account. So this here is my sessions account. So now over here, I will go to my profile and in my profile, I will go to workspace settings and over here, I will go to webhooks because we have got a webhook from Pabbly Connect, which is going to help us to build a connection between our sessions account and Pabbly Connect. So over here, I'm going to click on add webhook. Now in this URL field, I'm going to copy the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect and over here, I'm going to paste it. So over here, I'm going to select the same trigger event that I've selected in Pabbly Connect, that is session created. Here the permission will be personal and once I've mentioned the URL, selected the trigger and the permission, now I'm going to click on confirm. So over here you can see that a new webhook has been successfully created for the trigger event that is of session created. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside sessions. Now whenever a new session will be created in sessions, then automatically the details will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So as I've added the webhook over here, so taking you back to Pabbly Connect, you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do a test submission, I'm going to create a session in my sessions account. So I'm going to go to schedule a session for later type and over here I'm going to give the session name as digital marketing workshop. And now over here, I'm going to mention the description. So I'm going to select the date and time that will be of May 28th. And over here, I'm going to select the time as 12 p.m. And over here, the end time will be of 1 p.m. And over here, you can see the start date and time. So over here is the time zone. And now over here, I'm going to click on schedule session. So here you can see that a new session has been successfully created in my sessions account. Here you can see the date and time of the session. Here's the title and here's the description of the session. So that means the details of the session would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see that just now I've received a response. You can see the trigger that is session created. You can see the session start at date and time. Over here you can see the end date and time. And over here you can see the session name that was digital marketing workshop. You can see the session ID. And this over here is the description of the session. So over here that means in Pabbly Connect we have successfully got the details of the session that we have just created in our sessions account. So here we have set up a webhook inside sessions successfully. Now whenever a new session will be created inside sessions, then automatically the details of that session will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will capture the new incoming data when the workflow is going to start in real time. So as I've set up the webhook inside successfully and just by going to this action window, I can select any application where I want to send the data. So the setup was successful and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.